Thunder Rides VNCO6.
Okay, before we're going to move for our next category, that is the Pwede Pa Kami, our contestant required to get ready. Requesting all our Pwede Pa Kami contestants to please get ready for your music. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Sumunod Got Talent would like to thank our sponsors. Together first, Memorial from Vero and family. Thank you so much to our honorable mayor, Kelvin Chan. Vice Mayor Ernesto V. Salcedo III. Our councilors, we have the Honorable Dennis Uy. Honorable Maximiano Valero. Honorable Miguel Avalos Jr. Honorable Vitis Dice Jr. Honorable Morley Francisco. Honorable Lester Bermudez. Our Honorable Orlando Guillermo. Honorable Edwin Bautista. Our legal president, the Honorable Federico Narborte.